On today's video, we're going to replace this bad control board on this Gree PTAC, showing us the error code H. Okay, it's easy to remove the control board. Do with one number 2 Phillips screw. You just slide this out. And right here I can see some obvious corrosion on the back of the board. So let's go ahead and remove it. So right here there's a zip tie that's holding on our wire harness. So let's go ahead and snap that off and pull out our wires. We have 2 harnesses here. We have a black one and a white one. So Elliot's going to help us remove it.
Error code H.
Okay, here's the bad board. Let's go see if we can find another one. Some units that we condemn for other reasons, and let's go pull one off.
Open it up to see how it was on the back to see if it can come loose.
Okay, here's one that we got out of a different PTAC that we condemned for a different reason. Maybe the compressor was out, so let's go ahead and plug in the board. Just gonna plug it in the way we It's a bad one.
Good? Yeah, I'm finished with this one. Okay. What's up, guys?
What's going on?
Ah, this is how the real money's made, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So you show a tutorial for ours?
Mm-hmm.
Let me show.
All right. Tuck them wires back in there. This is a used board, but we're gonna check to see if it works. 1 screw, that's all it takes. Turn the power back on. All right, let's go ahead and test it. Go ahead. There it is there. It was just a bad board right here. We can see here where it was, I guess it got corroded. So that's why it was showing us the H error code. Go ahead and put this back together. There it is there. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like. And hit that notification bell.